up everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr and I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be customizing an all white pair of Nike Air Force 1 mids. I'm going to be doing like a pop art style, like cartoon, like basically, do you know how like you have like comic books and stuff and then they're like boom and like pow and like boom, I don't even know to be honest, that was like, I don't even know, but basically they have like words and stuff where it says like, it's like onomatopoeia or something, and they have like power and stuff. Basically, I'm going to put in those words all over an all white pair of Nike Air Force 1. Before I get into the video though, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell to so you get notified every single time I put a brand new video. And if you do enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Now, let's get straight into the video. Enjoy! the shoes are completely done then. These are the pop art, onomatopoeia, cartoon, comic book inspired Nike Air Force 1's. I would say they're pop art. They are kind of pop art-ish, although they're not like super pop art, because pop art is like, it has like dots and stuff. This is more like cartoon inspired pop art, or pop art inspired cartoon. I'm not sure. They're basically like the pop art cartoon Nike Air Force 1's. I think they turn out pretty fire in my opinion. Would I wear them? I'm not sure, to be honest, because I don't really usually wear stuff like this loud. Although I do feel like as a concept and like just like as something to look at, I do like them personally. But as always, make sure to let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Would you wear them? Would you rock them? Make sure to comment down below what you think of the shoes. Today's comment shout goes to Mavai. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell too so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it?